Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the path that your project will be saved to, like this right here, like where your files will be, I guess. So go to menu first and go back to homepage. Then you are going to select the settings button here. Go to settings again, and then as you can see there is a save to. You're then going to select the folder that you want your files to be saved in. For instance, your C drive is full, so you can change it to the D drive. You can also change the material downloading path, which again, you can change the file path. So what the material downloading path is that it's basically like if you downloaded like stock videos on the app, it's going to be downloaded in there, or like even just like video effects, filters, templates, stickers like that, it will be saved in there. Once you selected the folder, select folder and then just press save. And that's it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. If it's still like C, I think you can like modify it here or go to the settings button here. I'm not quite sure, but it's still on the like D drive here, so maybe this is just faulty. But yeah, hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!